How to extract audio from screen recording on iPhone. Go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Then, tap on the Details icon at the bottom as shown. Here, turn on the Show in Share Sheet feature. Tap on Done. Now, tap on the text over here and then tap on Clear. After that, turn on the Media feature. Then, tap on Done at the top. Here, go to the search bar at the bottom and type in Encode Media. Tap on Encode Media. Here, tap on the arrow and turn on the Audio Only feature. Go to the search bar again and type in Save File. Then, tap on Save File. Over here, go to the top and tap on the arrow. And then, tap on Rename. After renaming, tap on Done at the top right. You have successfully created this shortcut. Go back and open up the Photos app. Open the screen recorded video from here and tap on the share icon at the bottom left corner. Over here, scroll down to the end and tap on Save File, which is the new shortcut you just created. Here, select the folder where you want to save the audio file. Then, tap on Open. Go back again and open up the Files application. Go to the folder you just saved the file to. You can now find the audio file over here. Open it to listen to the extracted audio. Following these steps, you can easily extract audio from screen recording on iPhone.